Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. College accommodation providers 138 Student Living is looking to raise just over $2 billion via an additional public offer. The company released the prospectus on Friday. The offer, which opens on September 8, will put up 513.97 million new ordinary shares. 195.5 million shares are being made available to the general public at $4.40 each. A minimum of 1,000 shares must be purchased, followed by increments of 100. 318.5 million shares are set aside for existing shareholders, persons employed to 138, and other strategic partners. Those shares are being sold at $4.05 each. The offer is to run until October 6, with the option to increase by 256.98 million shares. GK Capital is the lead broker. 138 Student Living says the funds will be used to replace a portion of its Jamaican dollar debt with equity. The debt stock is more than $4.2 billion. NCB Jamaica says its point-of-sale machines are now able to accept American Express card payments. The integration on NCB's point-of-sale terminals also includes benefits for merchants, such as next-day settlements and enhanced dispute management process for transactions. This comes weeks after Scotiabank launched its American Express credit card on the local market. Carnival band Exodus Carnival has a new CEO. Pierre Gobaugh will lead the company into the upcoming Carnival season. Mr. Gobaugh is a known party promoter with sound system and disc jock experience. He says Exodus Carnival is on track to launch within the next 60 days. The company will be introducing new packages and a better range of costume selections. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.52. $114.76 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $197.22, while it's costing $169.57 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 939 points today, while the junior market gained 18 points. Among the 40 winners, Carbon Flavors and Fragrances, Seprod, Margaritaville Turks, Jamaica Producers Group, and Jamaica Public Service 9.5% shares. The 43 decliners include Blue Power Group, Epley Carbon Property Funds, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company, The Lab, and Epley 7.5% preference shares. 19 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading today. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.